everyone. Hello, tastemakers. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And then today I just want to share with you a quick video of what I spent my $20 on this week. Now, this week I just wanted to get some stuff for lunches, easy breezy stuff. It's getting hotter here. So let me show you. This came up to this is what $20 buys you nowadays. I got some honey turkey ham. It's pre-sliced, and it was, how much was this, a pound? It was $9.97 a pound, so this is half a pound. So I got it for $5.08. This is where, like in our Walmart, it's already pre-sliced. It's in a little cooler, like in the front of the store. And then I got another pack of peppered turkey breasts, and this was $5.33. I started my shopping trip later in the day than I normally do. It was too crowded, so I didn't want to just go all through the store. So I said, let me just find something quick. And now we got some romaine, a head of romaine lettuce, which was $1.89. Man, I used to get this. I used to get this like $1 last year. So I got one of those. I got this thing of spicy guacamole because I like these individual containers so it doesn't spoil on me. I got a bag of these blood oranges. These were like $2 something. These were blood oranges, and got a block of Colby Jack cheese. And I forgot I have I got 1 onion. Got this pack of cookies, white chocolate macadamia. Hubby's already gotten his lunches out of this pack here. And so I know my money, and I got 1 bag. Let me see, can I find that bag? One bag of vine-ripened tomatoes. So I can have salads for the week, and I can have sandwiches for the week. Now, I just cannot buy eggs for no $2.50. I'm not into eggs like that. Okay, so I was getting close to my budget, and so I went around the where the dairy section is, and they had this stuff on the clearance aisle. So it was like this. So I cut it in half. 75 cents for this bread, and then for this French bread, and then 75 cents for this French bread. These are normally $1. Okay, so that's what I got for $20 this week. And so I'm going to make a sandwich. See if my other knife works better. Just do it like that. So hubby already got a couple of sandwiches out. So here's, I'm going to use this half. Should use a serrated knife, but hey, I don't have a sous chef. I don't have a team. I can't be washing all those dishes. We doing stuff easy breezy around this camp. And I like to take a lot of that out. That's a lot of unnecessary carbs for my body. I don't want my, I shouldn't even say it. I can't even think of the name of the organ that processes, you know, you just don't want, the more sugar you pump into your body, the more the insulin your body has to produce to deal with it. And it has to work so hard. And like while you're young, you can do it, but you keep doing this year after year, and that organ's gonna conk out on you, and it can lead to diabetes, and all of that can lead to blindness, kidney failure. And so I'm just trying to hey, God gave me this body. Just, you know, we have to eat. But like one day I might, one meal out the day, I'll throw some carbs in there very lightly. Very small amount. So that's why you'll hear me say I'm low carbonate, because you know you can lose limbs, your eyesight. You can have strokes when these organs start shutting down on you. So it's no game. So you know, I know a lot of my younger people now, you know, you don't think you have to worry about it, but you know, it's what you do now that determines what's going on with you later on. So. And I just turned 60 this year, and they say I'm in fairly good health. Like I said, I had to stop my roller skating. That's what kept me, you know, it's like I had an activity that I enjoyed. So I was able to, you know, it cured a lot, you know, when you're active like that. And I was willing to do it 2 and 3 times a week. And that was my medication. So that's why I took out a lot of that fluff. That's gluten. Okay, so let's see. This particular sandwich will last me a couple of days. I'll just eat, you know, half of this. See, I'll keep a couple of slices out so I can roll it up. That's enough. I'm not going to put any dressings on it, on this whole piece. When I cut it down and I'm ready to eat it, okay, let's see, can you see that? And this is my favorite knife. I tried this Martha Stewart knife was too heavy for the cheese. I have a cheese slicer. You think I'm going to pull all that out right now? No. Trying to keep my workload down. I got a lot to do. But this is the knife I have. I have a link to this. I have a link to this cutting board on my all of Tanya's favorite things. is linked in my description box. And also, I've been getting a lot of questions about my Cash App and stuff like that. If you like the content that I provide, if you want to support the channel, keep it alive, there's also a little heart with a $sign in it. It's like, if you want to give a love offering to the channel, click that, and I would, appreciate it. That's just a quick and easy way. If you want to, it'll go to the channel. It'll go to keeping things alive and well here. Okay, I'm going to take one of these guacamole cups. I think I want an orange more than a cookie right now. So let me cut my orange. Got my blood orange here. These are pretty. Oh, I had a paper towel right there. Here's my sandwich. And I don't think I'm going to eat right now, but I'm going to spread this, as my dressing. So once I start doing a video, a lot of times I'm not ready to eat right away. So that's it. So I'll be eating some version of this all week long with my $20. This is what's left. I have another half left. Yeah, so we're good. Okay, guys, so quick and easy summertime meal lunch it was under $20, like $19 and something. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the Tastemakers tribe, and hit that bell notification so that when I upload a video, you'll get the notification. You'll know. You'll be the first one to be notified when I upload. We're having fun around here, living tastefully for less. See you in my next video. Okay, bye, Mom.